How to add music to WhatsApp status. I will show you. It's very easy. You just need to download CapCut editors or any videos editor you want. I will use CapCut in these videos. Now I will record something I like. I will record it. Okay, when you have the videos, you click Edit. Now you can click the audio icon here. Now you can add any sounds you want to add. I will add some example music here. Okay, you have finished add music to your videos. You just need to click Export. Now you click Others and Save Videos. Okay, now you can come back to WhatsApp. You click plus icon here. You select the videos that you just export. Now you can add some stickers and tags if you want. Okay, if you like the result, you just click Send button here. It will send directly to WhatsApp status. Now you finally finish add music to WhatsApp status. I hope my videos were helpful for you. Hope you like my videos. Give me a subscribe and drop a comment below what topic should I do next. I will see you in my next videos.